In more news which are breaking at this hour, BJP leaders are meeting Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy and Deputy Chief Minister O. Paneerselvam at their residence regarding seat sharing talks. This comes a day after the Election Commission announced poll dates for the state. Tamil Nadu BJP Core Committee meeting with Amit Shah in Viluppuram at 3 p.m. tomorrow. So interesting day where the BJP is now going to enter into an alliance with the AIADMK in the state of Tamil Nadu, and the seat sharing talks are on. Akshay is getting more details on that story. Akshay, very interesting because a lot is being said about how this could actually damage the AIADMK at the end of the day. But that aside, just tell us more about this meeting. What exactly is the BJP expecting from this alliance in terms of the number of seats?
Sneha, we today early morning saw how BJP senior leaders like C.T. Ravi, L. Murugan had visited Edappadi K. Palaniswamy and Deputy Chief Minister O. Paneerselvam in their respective homes. This is the initial talks of seat sharing that is going on, and we're being told by our sources in the AIADMK that this is the first round of talks. It was just a sample of what really is going to come in the coming days. It will be seen that once the election notification is given, immediately after the AIADMK and the BJP and his alliance partners are likely to have a proper meeting very soon, and in that meeting they will be discussing about the constituencies and the number of seats each of them will be getting. And as you mentioned, Sneha, for the AIADMK, this is a big step. An alliance with the BJP proved to be not so successful in the Lok Sabha elections. They were able to only manage one seat, and that was for OPS's son, O.P. Ravindranath. So, in this election too, without former Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha and an alliance with the BJP, it is going to be really tough for the ruling AIADMK government here. Sneha.
That's right. Akshay, be with us. In fact, the BJP, of course, has once again spoken about the fact that there has been violence in the state.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.